In more injury news coming after the first round of motocross, and again from Pro Circuit Kawasaki, Austin Forkner is out indefinitely. Depending on who you're looking for, Livefreemoto says, or reports, could be sidelined as much to probably a year, or at least all of the motocross season. Apparently during preparation for the motocross season, he sustained a shoulder injury, due to a shoulder injury sustained during preparation for the 2022 AMA Pro Motocross Championship. Pro Circuit Austin Forkner will meet with medical professionals to undergo a reparative procedure. Forkner will be sidelined from racing as he makes a full recovery. So who knows how long he's going to be out. They already lost Cameron McAdoo with his broken sternum. They're not doing very well. Obviously, Forkner and McAdoo are very much how you have to say injury prone. But to be both gone out of the motocross season, injured for probably a long time after one round, it does not seem very good. But you tell me in the comments below, do you think Hammaker and Shimoda are going to make up for it? Do you think they're going to bring some people in? Obviously, if they're going to be gone all season long to ride fill-in rides, whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.